I got Joe on this one.
Yeah.
I got Joe on this one, Rich on this one. All right.
A double.
Oh, Jack in his hand a little more.
Yeah.
We got a hot one. We got a lot of hot ones.
Joe, a double, huh?
I think I got to bring the other ones up, man. Screamer.
Oh, yeah.
Joe's got a big screamer.
I was reaching locked up. On here we go. Yeah. These ones are trying to grab the rod. I just started winding. Guess what? What? He's digging deep. It's one of the big one. He's digging. Okay. Nice. He's digging. Maybe a layer. He's in the bottom. He's digging to the bottom.
Put you on the big one, Rich.
Huh?
Let's put you on the big one.
You want a knife before he pulls you? Yeah, you cut it off. Here we go.
How's he feel?
That's coming in me. Could be a coho. It was going deep in it. It's coming in me now. I see color. What's the mitt guy? Shannon. Huh? Shannon. I got a double hernia. Hey. Listen to me. I want a staff. It's not the 30 pounder. It's a little guy. It's a little coho.